What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Case 23 back with another video, and today we'll be doing a review on the Air Jordan 1 Low Court Purple. Let's get into it. First things first, the box. You get your typical Jordan box, gold Jumpman, size tag. So I could read that. Retail is $90. It says Court Purple, Black, White, Air Jordan 1 Low. On the inside of the box, you can see get your typical white paper, gold 23. Now let's get into the shoe. I did cop these from Flight Club. It's pretty much the same as the high top pair. As y'all can see there, it's pretty much the same as the high top pair. The quality of the leather is decent. It's not the best quality leather, but it is better than your typical Jordan 1 mids. Y'all can see the bottom. I love the shade of purple. It has this little pink insole. I don't know why they decided to put a pink insole in there, but here's the tag right here, because I did cop these from Flight Club. So if y'all don't know, Flight Club actually owns GOAT, but I think this is a really clean shoe. If you don't have the high top version, I think this is a good alternative for you to buy. Even before you buy reps and stuff like that, try to get you some lows, try to get you some mids. I think this can really change your collection, bro, because they're starting to go crazy on these lows and mids with the same colorways as the highs. Now the quality may not be 100%, but at this point it doesn't really matter. As long as you're getting the same look, this is still 90% of what a Jordan 1 is. And as you can see there, with that purple Jumpman, this one does not have a 23 on the little joint that you put through on the tongue, your laces through. And that's pretty much it, man. You got your little Wings logo on the back. Let that focus in. And that's pretty much it, man. So don't forget to like this video, man. Subscribe. And stay tuned for more content. Your boy is out.